Brainwave Entrainment for treating erectile dysfunction with binaural beats or isochronic tones comes as a new hope for male impotence treatments hitherto having been tried with only a little success so far. The history of these treatment procedures has always remained very controversial since the results achieved have never been very consistent in themselves. At times the problem does get resolved sporadically, but in the majority of cases no significant improvement is ever seen. Also, since the condition is considered to be a stigma on the malehood of an individual, many quacks have entered the field with their quackery promising miracle treatments for the incapability of a male to satisfy his partner in the bed. Medical science tries to reverse the condition through purely biological means, whereas the clinical psychology attempts to change only the conscious patterns of the mind to deal with it. No one ever seriously tried to spot the root of the problem in the unconscious patterns of the mind in an intensive way at all. What happens in treating erectile dysfunction or male impotence treatments is that the inability to develop or maintain an erection of the penis sufficient for satisfactory sexual performance is subjected to different biological procedure. Since erection results from the sponge-like bodies within the penis getting filled by the blood as the penile nerves get a signal from the brain to that effect, all the treatment efforts are concentrated on somehow filling these sponge-like bodies with blood from outside help. They never bother that it makes the patient dependent on those artificial procedures. Moreover, the biological cause is stopping or reducing the flow of blood to these spongy bodies, like voltage-gated potassium channel and arsenic poisoning, cardiovascular disease, diabetes, hormonal insufficiencies are much less responsible for the condition than the unconscious patterns of the mind are. These patterns stop the brain from sending signals to the penile nerves to do the needful as and when it is required. Brainwave entrainment with binaural beats. Binaural beats are isochronic tones on which this brain deficiency through addressing these unconscious patterns of mind for treating erectile dysfunction with a much higher percentage of a permanent cure than other male impotence treatments. Brainwave entrainment uses a delta recording having the capacity to directly affect the unconscious patterns of mind through picking up two very specific frequencies, one activating the sexual stimulation center in the brain and the other stimulating the genitals. You can either go for a binaural or else an isochronic recording for the purpose on http://www.brainwavefrequencies.com/erectiledysfunction.html. A comparative study of the binaural beats, the binaural beats and the isochronic tones is given on this site in a clear and crisp video presentation.